Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can try to recover deleted message on WhatsApp even if you don't have a backup on your phone. Step 1. Understand the situation. First, if you deleted message and you don't have an iCloud backup, WhatsApp can't restore them automatically. But there are still a few methods that can help you recover them. I'll show you the easiest one. Method 1. Ask the other person to export the message. Open the WhatsApp on the other person's phone. They open your chat, tap your name at the top, scroll down and tap export chat. Choose without media or with media. They can share the file with you through WhatsApp, AirDrop or email. You'll get a full copy of deleted message in a readable file. And that's it. Even without backup, you will still have several ways to recover deleted WhatsApp message on your phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.